Hi, I'm Mark Whitaker coming at you from the floor of InfoComm 2026. Thank you for joining me here today. I'd like to talk to you about some of our fantastic Lenovo ThinkSmart smart devices for conference room solutions. So for starters here, we have our Core Full Room Kit. Our Core Full Room Kit consists of our Core Gen 2, our IP controller. This also can come with our USB controller, but we're showing the IP controller today, as well as our ThinkSmart Bar 180. Now the Core Gen 2, this is our Core Gen 2, latest and greatest, lots of fun ports for all the connections, so you got lots of connectivity to everything. But what makes the Core Gen 2 very interesting
multiple displays.
Multiple displays, definitely 2 displays. And if you're in a Zoom environment, you can actually even do a 3rd display off of a USB-C.
So it's the HDMI?
So there's 2 HDMI outs, 1 USB-C out, 1 HDMI in, as well as we have a BYOD capability with our Core Gen 2. So what we can do with this is we could take this and connect it up to our laptop. A little pop-up will show up right over here. We say, yes. Our laptop shows up right up there on the display right away. And you can see that our speaker and microphone clicked over to, this is on my laptop, by the way. Speaker and microphone are now owned by the laptop, as well as the camera, by the way. But hopefully everybody figured that part out. But
nice. And it's a 4K camera?
4K camera. It's actually more than 4K because it's actually 3 cameras. I don't know how well you can see that.
It's like kind of like panoramic.
Yes, we call it the Bar 180 because it's a 180-degree field.
Zoom in and crop into people?
Yes, absolutely. As well as it can do multi-stream and teleframe, which will get you a better result than cloud and teleframe. But cloud and teleframe is just fine too.
Nice.
All right.
So you can have just one in the room?
Just one in a room. It goes up to, say, about 15, 20 feet or so, and just one part number will get you the whole kit, minus the display.
And of course, this is a great laptop, right?
All the way. This is one of our Lenovo ThinkPads. So of course, it's a great laptop. Yep. It's a beautiful setup. Obviously, laptop is fully optional. But let's move on to some interesting other gear. So again, we come over here and we have a couple new kind of iterations on our nifty Core Gen 2. So our Core Gen 2 is part of this system as well, once again with our IP controller. We're just gonna hit the tap to get it started. And over on this station, we're actually featuring the Hudley C1. So this is a camera, speaker, and microphone bar that is from Hudley, obviously, and is part of our new partnership with Hudley. So we have this beautiful situation where you can order Hudley directly from Lenovo and get it as part of our kits. What makes this particular station...
It's very high quality sound coming out of this?
It's an amazingly high quality sound. The microphones built into it will also go for about, we'll say 20 feet or so.
And capture the person perfectly?
It'll capture the person perfectly, and we'll get into more interesting parts about the Hudley system in just a second. But I do want to call out a little something here. This is actually a Lenovo 55-inch TV. Well, it's a display, not really a TV. It is rated for 16:7, and what you see in the back right there is actually our Core Gen 2 that can slot right into the back of the display. So it makes it for exceptionally easy mounting and really, really quick installation.
And it looks like also multiple displays, so you can have a couple of those next to each other or
Absolutely,
something?
Yeah. Once again, you could just take the second HDMI out, put it over to a second display, and you have a multi-display
And have more
system.
people from the video conference?
Yes, exactly. So you get people content, et cetera, et cetera.
All right.
So the biggest difference between the station we just talked about and this station right here is you'll notice a couple extra cameras. So what this is that this is called a C1 Crew system from Hudley. So what this is it's a director type scenario where the camera shot best suited for whoever's talking will be able to capture the person as close to head on as possible. Once again, this is our Core Gen 2 with IP controller. You'll notice a theme here, as well as this one is actually mounted on the wall behind it, but we do have the slot there in the event we wanted to use it. And this is our 65-inch display. The last one was 55. This is a 65.
It's a nice 4K.
Oh yeah, 4K display. CEC commands. Yeah, it's also controllable through our ThinkSmart Manager software in the event that you wanted to do that. And you're in business. It's a great solution. And then right behind us, which will probably be our last thing that we talk about, this is what we call our express room setup. So what this is that it's a stand, bar 180, LG display. This happens to be a 42, but it can go up to 55. And in the back, we have all of our compute, etc., all contained within this nifty setup from Heckler. It's a Heckler stand, an LG monitor, Lenovo Tiny. So this is our i3 solution with our bar 180. It also comes with our USB controller that I mentioned earlier, but it is what it is. It's good times.
Nice. That's awesome.
Excellent.
So thanks a lot for showing all this.
Hey, no problem.
Just in time.
Show's over, baby.
Yeah, the show's over, but the World Cup is continuing.
Yes, absolutely.
And you are part of that.
Lenovo is a big sponsor of Lenovo.
Of the Lenovo World Cup?
Yes, the Lenovo World Cup. It might as well be. But we are a big sponsor of the World Cup, so please
all
feel
the
free
teams,
to check
right?
out games.
Not a specific team?
We're actually a sponsor of the entire thing. So if you're looking at the field at the World Cup, you will see something Lenovo around the
So
edge.
actually, throughout the World Cup, there might be some of these setups, right?
Likely there is, yes. Absolutely, buried in back rooms and obviously World Cup officials. I'm not talking about the guys on the green, but I'm talking about the actual higher ups of the World Cup Federation. They talk to each other all the time across these devices. So we're everywhere. Lenovo is absolutely everywhere. You may not know it, but Lenovo is everywhere. So thank you very much for joining us here today. I'm at Mark Whitaker once again, Lenovo.com or smartcollab.us.com. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Appreciate the questions.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.